Good evening, good morning, good night, peeps. It's your man, All the Fire 777. Yeah. So, get up early this morning, leave out for the dark. Yeah. And come on back early, get some sleep. Just wake, get a bath, and get some sleep. I'm just wake. Yeah. Come on to this fresh breeze here in the Caribbean. Yeah, nothing like, no place like the Caribbean, peeps. Fresh breeze, so fresh, you know. Some buy one sauce up yesterday, which was Saturday. Yeah. I'm this guy that sell local produce. Yeah, so some sauce up here. So it's well ripe. It is well ripe. So now, so it tastes, you know. I'm gonna see how it tastes. Fix my camera good. Yeah. I don't really like sauce up juice to that. I rather eat the sauce up. But what they do, I get some juice and it tastes good. Worse if milk in it. If a milk ever go in it, I vomit. Don't like it. But I rather to eat it. So let's see if that one is sweet. Right, overripe. It is overripe. Like somebody thought I want to start spoil. Yeah. Anytime I go to Jamaica, I go Guys Hill. I always stop down the coast, on Devil Race Coast and buy. This sauce up is also good for man. It's very good for man too. It's a billion sperm count. You know what it is? I don't know how true that is. I love to eat it. Very nice. That one is sweet still. A little bit sour, but not too much. Very sweet. Sweet though. It's a cold front though, and I really feel chilly for true. Alright, this better than the eat. Yeah. What's up here nice? I'm sorry, today is Sunday. I cannot even eat at dinner yet because I don't really know what to eat. I have fish. Then it's not like I just don't know what to eat, I just like cooking. And restaurant that I eat from, then the way in a town. Wasn't so far, I'm gonna order one fish, rice and peas and plantain. With extra plantain. That's nice, let's see that. Try to record on video. You know man or so. Yeah? I'm 4 later peeps. You know man. As soon as the producer eat, no for them come. I follow them for them. The more time I don't like see them hungry, you know. So if you follow them, come around here. I just start feed all them. See, you come close see about 2 of them around here. And see now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Till the rain start Joe. I just wake up, I shouldn't in a rain, you know. 13 of them running so far. Not back the door, I'm door key. It's rain on Joe. Steve,
What now?
you had to warm up?
Warm up, yes. We got the snow.
Yeah?
No, no, that one.
No, it's raining out here. Start the joke. I'm just wake up. Alright, I'm not rain there. We have something on line, Steve. You want to touch the road? You want to touch the road? You want to go on the road?
No, no.
Oh.
I just come on the road, Papa.
Oh.
All the way go.
Yes, peeps, the rain start due now, so I'm going to left around the side there. I'm going to come around this side. I'm going to get a little shelter over my head. I'm just wake. And I don't want, holy smoke, not again. I broke my GoPro stand. I broke one the other time, you know. Broke this broke? Yeah, broke it again. I can fix it back still. Can't fix that. All the time I do this, peeps. I broke my GoPro stand. This is horrible. But then I make it good. Funny, peeps. I break it off. I'll fix it. I'm gonna fix it. I can fix it. I can glue it. I should think. Fix it back. I think I can fix it back. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, can fix it back. But me always angry to rough tape. And it's quite handy. Very easy to handle when me do stuff. Look at a better one. Them always a break off the same place. Look on it. It's just, I don't know. Always so easy to break off. I don't know why. Right now, please can fix it. Don't need my sauce up. Let me fix it. And then I know about my GoPro. I end up dropping it and damage it too. I'm coming on some chicken and fine, I see me. Yes, this peeps. Inside this is Viagra. I know how true it is. This is the art of the sauce up. But it's always nice, smells like it too. Very nice. The chicken then. Come all the way around here, so, and then come around with me too. Hey, come around here, make nice. I leave her so walk through the kitchen and come around here. And all of them come around the same way. Now I go give you enough to eat. What am I going to give you now? Right? And this is my sauce up for them. Alright. Learn to share. Sharing is caring. No, I'm not doing nothing. Yes, peeps. I eat enough as well, so I share rest with the chicken them. Come down and forget them. If you got no cooked rice or something. Some of those churros, so what's up, get them. Yeah, some just throw that in a dumpster. And a dumpster in a garbage. Yeah. So, I'm going to see what I can get to eat, you know. What shall I eat? What shall I eat now, please? What shall I cook? Can cook some rice, steam my fish. Probably do that. Steam some fish. But no. Might put the fish without because the fish well frozen. So I might do that. It is well frozen. You know, kinda not so easy to deal with now, but maybe I do that. Watch them. No for them. That was enough sauce up for me. Yes, peeps, I am going to get something to eat out. I'm going to take out the fish, how long I take it out. I know today is Sunday, I'm going to do a Sunday live. So, let me get inside the house and take out the fish if you want out. Yeah. So if you need some talking, brother called Big Belly Man, Ernell brother, I'm a talk. Yeah, yeah, in film out that in a year. That's Ernell brother, Big Belly Man. He's coming to my room, so one fly a month, him fly out. I hate flies. Come on, man. Normally when you catch fly in my room, or so, I run them in the bathroom and then I kill them. Because I hate flies, peeps. Yeah, sweep. So, you want to sit on my fridge? Sit on my fridge there. My fridge empty. But, you know, because I don't love the chicken or nothing nice. So, I got one big fish. Yes. One big fish, peeps. So, I'm going to take it out. Put it in out. So, I can look about some fish. Steam some fish. With rice. I teach people to get bun. Yeah, I can't make you know a code. You know what I say? I deceive me, I watch it for the TikTok, you know. Somebody has sitting. And the man I say, can you imagine? You have sex with somebody, now sleep and I change bodily fluid. Now share bodily fluid down. Now have sex, you know. Man I discharge in a woman and all that. And then I share just a simple thing as a phone password. Then I share that, but then I share sex. What kind of madness that? Eh? Then I share password. I miss when people hide and I cheat, why they not go there with this money where they might cheat with them? Since then, you get me I say? if other person that they want. Not true. Yeah? Yeah, and if you go there with that money, they might cheat with. Honestly, peeps. Should that person that is cheating go there with the person that they're cheating with? Especially them a woman and them a woman that cheat for him after they left them. Tell me in the comment section, is it safe to work with a woman that cheat for him? You have to let her. In my opinion, I would say to let her. Mr. Peeps, what do you say? So fish big peeps. The fish almost weigh 2 pounds. So I'm gonna steam it with some rice. Cook some rice in a rice cooker. Yeah. You know, I'm gonna cut up the season first because this is tough. Hot line. peeps, so make the fish out and then deal with it. I put over this. Have a look. Looks at my. Oh yeah, I put over. I left it out this morning. I might cook a leave all this morning. Still feeding about some fish now. And then meat sauce, but one sauce I can't put that. Definitely eats food. Food, I need food. So now get the season now. And cut up the season. Rice now take no time to steam. So now cut up the season. Yeah. Cut up the season first. Yeah. And then recipes. So, you want to see them in the fridge? In the fridge, yeah. So I got tomato that I bought yesterday. So some local tomato. And one guy here planted it. Jamaican guy. And so I have some sorrel I buy from the other day to dry it. And I get to time it. And yesterday I get some local sweet pepper too. So local sweet pepper a little bit. This is all local sweet pepper a little bit. And then the imported one bigger than that thing back here. I mean I exaggerate. I'm not exaggerating. It is extremely big. So sweet pepper. I'm gonna get this a local pumpkin too. Yeah. This a pumpkin. I get piece of local pumpkin, the peeps. So I'm gonna cut piece of the pumpkin too. And I need garlic, onion. So when you buy onion at Cayman, you buy it like this. You buy a bag of onion. When you buy it like pound, you just take up one bag. Yeah. Then I'm gonna use onion, cut off half of the onion there. And I use garlic. To the garlic now. I'm going to so now, see peeps, the thing is, you know, when you have fridge, like the garlic trash and the onion trash, in your mine shop, all of them in the bottom of my fridge. And I heat that, I'm gonna like an extra work for myself. Yeah. Yeah. Then strip off there, yeah. Yeah. Let the fridge stay to make it stay too long, and the light lock off inside there. I have to press that button there. Yeah. So that is how it is in Cayman. One day I'm going to show now. I'll give you a tour of my room, but no. It's for your next video. Show you a room in Cayman. I'll show you when I get to rent a room in Cayman. You get a room. Sometimes you have to share bathroom. Thank God, I never get a share bathroom. My alone use a bathroom, but I share kitchen. Yeah. So, you get a room with bed. But me did get bed, but then I get one other bed. Because the bed that I get, I never like it. Bed I like a hospital bed. You know that kind of bed there. So I get a Jamaican bed. You know a Jamaican bed? Jamaican bed, a Jamaican bed. Jamaican is no Jamaican bed. Made out of wood with some nice foot and it's very firm. You get me I say? Yeah, so I get a Jamaican bed. So even when I go left here, I'll left the bed there. Probably I don't have kind of bed because in Cayman you don't really move with furniture. Some people move with furniture. No, I'm moving with furniture, I'm not that. I think I'm moving with clothes. Yeah, I'm gonna have about 4 okra. But this is gonna be enough. I remember the guy I have okra yesterday. So I have okra. And I have hot pepper. Yeah. And right so. Same place in the fridge so. I have season. Because fridge season keeps different season up on one side, that's one thing. Yeah. So I have okra, pepper. I need the pepper, took a while. Let's take a pepper. No, the pepper, yeah, them pepper here. Never like color them pepper here anymore. They're not hot. They want to not hot. And I will end up probably throw away. Yeah, this is hot pepper. Yeah. Let's make a buckle of wine, peeps. A buckle of wine. I go and chill. And so this could drink my holiday from my home. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. I turn down this because I know my video I play. Let me know no copyright. Oh, carrot too. Look how much things I put in it. Look how much things I'm gonna put in this. You see it, peeps? Fish almost done. Yeah. Over here, so some cucumber with some lettuce. So make sure so this steam a bit more. Yeah. And big up my Juliet again for that spoon, eh? Yeah. Bring it all the way from Florida for me. Big up yourself, Miss Juliet. Big up yourself, Miss Juliet. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna cook some rice heaps, but I guess I'm not gonna bother cooking the rice. I'm not bother cooking the rice. Yeah. No, bother cook no more rice. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, peeps, is this. So yes, please, I find a one bami in my fridge. So instead of rice, I'm not really want a rice. I'm gonna use the bami. Yeah, I'm going to use the bami. So put the cucumber on it. Let it in the sun if you go on. Start off and then I'm gonna put the bami in the pot now. Go and steam. Yeah. One bami. I'm gonna make it beside. So I'm just turn up the fire a bit so some more water can draw out of that. Yeah. And that is good enough. So turn it on the stove. And then I go slice up the bami here. So now I'm gonna slice up this bami piece. Which may use one hand now, because I use a phone. Yeah. I'm gonna cut up the piece and get back to it. Yes, please. Get the bami in a two. So you know this is dinner. So let that go on steam down. Oh, let me just do like this. That's one thing with the bami paste, because it went in our fridge, it kind of have a little ice in it. So make it steam away. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, yes. So the bami go on. You know, I'm going to throw them garbage here. Throw some garbage now. Sit and see your peeps. I'm going away. So yes, peeps. Yeah, so I'm almost done cook. I'm saying the plan was to cook some rice, but now I'm cooking no rice. Set the volume and turn up. Yeah, the plan was to cook some rice, but now I'm cook no rice, please. Because rice, I don't really want a rice. So as I say, I have one bami. Then I go look out the one bami. And that's it. One bami. Yes. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show you garbage. Tomorrow garbage man them come. Garbage man them normally come early. Monday morning. So you know them will come tomorrow morning. I'm gonna take up the garbage them early before I wake. Then take up the garbage. So, think Bami supposed to almost, just Bami alone left his steam. So it's supposed to almost ready now. It's supposed to almost be ready. Come here, say peeps. Yeah. Yeah, so time for the max up now. Big bell man over here, so. You know? Yeah, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Movie. On YouTube, watch Jamaican play. Yeah. See it now, peeps. This is it. Yeah. Give it a little more minutes. As I say, the bami was practically frozen. So, yeah, a few more minutes. Take a look. Never make up my mind when I cook, so that's the reason why I just want bami me have. I'm using a blow hard out here, so. Blow out the fire. Yes, peeps, see? It's almost dark now. Find piece of coconut in the fridge. And chuggy fall and the chemist and mash up it already. And the coconut frozen too, you know, peeps. That's a good way I have it tonight. So I just, they're not done yet. So, I don't have it same way. I mash up the coconut there. Trim now. Yeah. Put him in my thumbnail. So, alright, let me see. 1, 2, 3, yeah. So I mash up the coconut, please. Coconut is frozen, but they're hungry. I know you guys are hungry, I understand. Yes, peeps, they're hungry. So yes, peeps, so if it's the first time tuning into the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Tell a friend. Yeah. Them are Steve telling about, Steve always telling about them bird. It's like garling, this is garling. It's a garling, it's a garling them. Steve always tell me, so then come here, so even time. It's like garling. None of a garling them. They look that way, I'm not sure. Yeah. So by the time I go back in the kitchen now, the food's supposed to ready. So I can match up it and go start the live for, you know, say Sunday evening. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Yeah. So, yeah. Alright. That is it. Ready now. But I'm now cook. To steam. Yeah. So stick and stay, peeps. I'm gonna match up it now. Sit down now, peeps. Dinner is ready. So ready. Upon dinner. That is it. Dinner is ready, peeps. You know? Dinner ready. Yeah. So match up for me now. Yeah. I'm gonna do, peeps. Match up some food and now. Yeah. So delicious. Very delicious, peeps. Couldn't be more delicious. Yes, peeps. Got that tips, sorry, I can't share that now. This is so delicious. I'm gonna say delicious, I mean delicious. Oh, forgot my lettuce and my cucumber. Yeah. It's my bami. I'm gonna say delicious, peeps. I mean delicious. Very delicious. Anyway, peeps, thank you all for watching. It's a small Sunday evening vlog. So, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend. Yeah. About the man who will keep saying. So until next video, big up on yourself. to work on yourself. You see. Like what I do? Love what I talk full and speak, like I'm hungry. So as I say, love what I do and do what you love and do it to the best of your ability. So until next video, peace out.